Ricky put the lowering blocks in the rear end this morning, and Stan and I have been welding this up to extend the floor. There's the dash welded in. It's almost done before we punch holes for the gauges. Here's the floor. Lowered the rear end, so make it look meaner. Gas filler is welded in. It's coming. Yeah. Stab of the old. Those are all welded in. Glass going on. I'm gonna hear that scraping in my sleep tonight. See, Stan will be able to put a scooter right in the back now. Repaired the posts, the A-pillars.